Let me show you how to quickly create a portfolio on your Google Finance. Now, once you're on Google Finance, guys, and if you don't know how to actually open Google Finance, I'm going to quickly show you. Head over to Google and ensure you sign into your account. You can click the Google apps on the upper right hand side and just find the finance within the list and open that. It's going to take you right over to Google Finance. Now, to create a portfolio is super easy. You can do it two ways. On the home page here, just simply look towards the right hand side and you'll have portfolio. You can click on the new portfolio from here and give your portfolio name. On the left hand side you have the burger menu and you have portfolio as well. You can do that by clicking there as well. So let's say I'm going to call this one my investments, right? So let's say that's what I want to call this folder here, my investment, or my portfolio called my investment. So as you can see, I've created it, and this is the investment folder, and I can start to add investment in it. Now you can start by clicking add investments, and you can search for things and you can add them in. So let's say I want to add this United States dollar here. I can add that in and just simple click and save, right? And that's going to be added right into that investment folder. Apart from that, you can, while you're in Google Finance, you can always go ahead and find things that you want to add into your investment folders, right? So basically what's inside your portfolio are your watch list folders and so forth. So if I go ahead and I click the burger menu on the left hand side and go to my investment portfolio that I've created, you will see here that it shows that it's currently showing the watch list there and those different personalized folders or list that I created. So here I have this one. I can create a new list and I can call this one, let's say newest as an example. Click and save, and as you can see, it's going to create for me. So I have a new watch list here or a new list here, and I can add things into, I can add new investment there. I will just select something, for example, and as you can see, it is added. So that's it, guys. That's how to easily create a portfolio on your Google Finance. Once you're on Google Finance, guys, you have your portfolios, you have your watch list, and you can quickly switch between the two. So here, for example, I had my portfolio here, and I can add things into my portfolio at any point in time you want to add new portfolio. You can always come in and create new portfolio. It's really up to you. You can add various investments. You can remove things from your investments as well. You can click to watch list. You can add new investment by clicking investment here and just basically go through different things. So you want to add stocks, you want to add currencies, you want to add mutual funds, you can go ahead and you can add those things to your portfolio. It's really up to you. It's very easy and very simple. That's how you keep your Google Finance watch, let's say, or your portfolio organized to basically create portfolios and watch lists so that you can quickly find these at any point in time. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.